yeah. I really hope this isn't a tornadic storm is all I can say. Like, I don't see any correlation coefficient drops with this. Oh yeah, look at south. Look at that. Look at that. That doesn't look good. I mean, it's not like striated base or anything, but that I kind of hope if that is the center of circulation, actually, because that's going to miss. That's not going to hit. But like, oh God, it is still February out here, I suppose. Can't get too used to the temperatures just yet, even though it's not actually that bad out. All things considered. Yeah, it's gonna storm here. There's actually there's maybe like 3 or 4 bolts per minute. This is a lot brighter than it actually seems, but let me just turn it down just a little bit, I suppose. Make it a bit more realistic. I'm actually gonna use this to see what's going on here. Oh wow. Wish I was actually looking at that. It's okay, what the heck is that? Yeah, that's I don't know what that is, but maybe I'm just being paranoid, but I know how quick these spin-ups can arise, and that does kind of look like a little I mean, well, it's hard to say. It's nighttime, it's hard to say if it's actually rotating. Oh God, I thought that was a debris cloud. No, that's just a tree. Yeah, it's just a tree. And that ain't... Okay, probably time to get towards the porch. Here comes the rain. There might actually be some wind with this summer too. I'm gonna just check radar real quick.